Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, this is Whoopi speaking. And tonight I want to show you a mixture joining a Slayer exciter to a pancake configuration to the cap thread, this new thread on Energetic Forum, and to a Dr. Stifler experiment with AV plug on a cap which permits to charge very fast big capacitor. And I will try to show you how to get some useful power. You see here the complete circuits, and now we go to show you the reality. Okay. Now here you have the motor. It is an electric motor, 12 volt, a DC normal motor with a small propeller here. You see, okay. What is important now, you have the leads of the motor, DC motor, goes to a capacitor. It is a big capacitor, but it works also with smaller one. I show you something here. And you see the two leads of the capacitor. But these two leads of the capacitor are joined and connected to a big Aramco plug with a lot of small 1N4148 diodes. It is 6 per lead here, and these leads at the end of the Aramco plug is connecting to the ground of my grid house. You see orange plug here. Alright. Now something very interesting is at the end of the capacitor, if you want to stay, you will see here the leads, there is the cap thread. This is connecting the aluminum box of the capacitor to these two coils here. Sorry. This is two pancake coils, as you can see. One is not so much turns, and this one is much more, but it is not very important. Everything works normally. But what is very, very important here is that all these coils are, one is connected and the other one is free. You see, it's free here, and the other one is free here also. So this is not a closed system. And this is connecting to my Slayer exciter here. Connecting to the circuits. This is here the circuits on the right. On the left is a joule TIF, but it is not used for this experiment. Alright, and I have put some refreshment, but it is not absolutely necessary. Okay, now we'll go to test if it works. Now, no voltage. I put the voltage on. I have to make some contact here to excite. Press some more here. Or some more. Oh. Ah, yes, it works. This time it works. Okay, okay, that was good. Alright, you can see. And what happened is very interesting now. That the motor turns. The propeller is turning. 12 volt DC motor on this capacitor, but it works also with this small one here. It is only 250 volts and 47 microfarad. This big one here is much greater, but it works. Okay, and not only it works, but it works. If I approach my neon light, it works very well. Fantastic, isn't it? Okay, for the ideas, good evening.